I mean, there was no way these rumors were not bound to happen, especially that we know that the Venom trailer is less than like 24 hours away from us. But of course, the rumors were going to pop up regardless, so let me try to address what is happening. So of course, it hasn't been too long since John Schnapp came out and said, hey look, Tom Holland's version of Spider-Man, that Peter Parker, will appear in Venom. And of course, ever since then, the movie has been hyped up to an incredible degree, more so than it ever was before. Rightfully so, Venom has a very tied, I guess you could say, history and connection to Spider-Man, and it seems like he's not going to in this continuity, so what's the point, right? But let's wait and pass judgment on that. Now, a new rumor I've seen spreading like wildfire online is the fact that Venom is going to include a last-second stinger in this trailer, and this is going to be the big one that reveals Spider-Man or Tom Holland's connection into this movie to get everybody talking about how this film is in fact connected to the MCU. Now I'm just here to say, guys, hold on, temper your expectations, and do not go into this trailer anticipating this to happen, because you will walk away disappointed. So let me just put it like this. Post-production of the movie just started, like not even like 3 weeks ago. They wrapped up shooting and now they're in the actual, gotta get all the special effects and everything done stage. You're going to see Venom. I guarantee you're going to see what he looks like. You're probably going to see what some of the other symbiotes look like. But the big thing here is the special effects have a lot of time to get finished. And of course, there's already been special effects that are trying to be finished up so they can do this, so they can get it out there, and of course, so they can show the people visually what the movie was going to look like. So some of those shots are going to make it in here. But putting something as big as the Tom Holland thing in there would kind of be pointless if you ask me. That would take all the focus away from the actual Venom movie, and the big topic of discussion would be how this is an MCU film now, and no one would focus on anything else in the trailer. You don't want that on your first outing. Even if Spider-Man is in it, even if he's in the movie, you don't want that to be the first thing you show. I hope I'm making this clear to you guys, so just don't go into the trailer anticipating that, because you're going to be disappointed.